today we are going to do one of my favorite process art projects, which is coloring on coffee filters. And we can turn them into butterflies or fun, crazy monsters. So what we're gonna do to get started is we're gonna need some coffee filters, some water-based color markers, scissors, pipe cleaners, maybe some glue depending on which project you're taking. Doing in either a spray bottle or a little dropper with some water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off and you're gonna take 2 coffee filters. And mom and dad can, if they don't have any of these, then they can go and get some at the store. You're gonna open it up and put it on some tin foil because it does get a little bit messy. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're going to color your coffee filter and decorate it in any way with shapes or hearts or dots or zigzags, but you wanna fill the coffee filter up with color, but you also wanna make sure that none of your colors are touching. So here's one that's almost done. And you're gonna wanna make sure that your colors don't touch, that there's a little bit of white space, not much, but just a little bit of white space on your coffee filter. Okay, so then what you're gonna do, the best part is you're gonna take a spray bottle or the little, you can drop water on it if you don't have a spray bottle, and you're gonna spray the coffee filter and watch the magic. And just make sure all the sides are down. It's gonna bleed on from this coffee filter onto the other one. The hard part, the fun part's watching it dry. And you don't wanna overspray it. The hard part is waiting till it's all dry. So you can actually have mom and dad use a hair dryer to help it dry along. So I have some that I have already done and that are already dry. I'm gonna start by showing you how to make the butterfly. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate your 2 coffee filters and you're gonna fold them like a fan. Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now I know both classrooms have practiced doing this, but it does get tricky, so ask mom or dad to help. Sometimes even an older brother or sister can help you do this. You're gonna wanna do both coffee filters, just like that. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, so that you're making, we call it an accordion fold, or folding it like a fan. Then you're gonna take your 2 folded coffee filters and put them on top of each other. You're going to take your pipe cleaner while they're folded like that, and you're just gonna bend it over your coffee filters and twist it at the top. And then you can even, like I did, curl the antenna. We're gonna start seeing some butterflies soon, but a friend of mine named Sam in Sydney told me that it has to be about 60 degrees for them to be outside. So, and then all you're gonna do is open up your butterfly wings. Get this beautiful, very colorful butterfly. You can make a bunch of them and hang them around. So cute. Now if you like, I made the butterfly and then my husband said, well, what if you don't want to make a butterfly? Well, you know what? You can make a goofy monster. So you still take your 2 coffee filters and you're just gonna put them on top of each other and fringe the edges. See how I'm just cutting, not too far, just fringing all the way around. Just cut, cut, cut. Then you can take your glue stick, put a little bit of glue in between the layers, not the whole thing, just in the center, because you want your coffee filter to be fringy and like he's floating in outer space or something. Then for the face, you can take googly eyes and glue them on, or draw your eyes. And then you can draw, here I'm gonna draw some crazy eyes because I'm out of googly eyes now. One eyeball's looking this way and one eyeball's looking that way. And then I'm gonna draw a crazy mouth, but of course he's kind of smiling. And then to make the legs and the arms, I'm just gonna cut some paper into strips. So that I have strips for 2 arms and 2 legs. And again, I'm just gonna do the accordion fold, front and back. Just back and forth, just like that, until I get this very fun arm. And then I can take my glue stick and I can glue it to the back. And I can glue my arms and my legs, and I get my fun little alien. The best part is naming them, so I can't wait. Please send me your pictures and let me know what you named your new fun creatures. See you next week. Bye-bye.